What if just 10 minutes a day could heal your body, calm your mind, and transform how you feel without medication or expensive therapy? Today, you're going to learn exactly how meditation works and why millions are turning to it for real healing. And at the end of this video, I'll guide you through a simple meditation you can start today, even if you've never tried it before. Welcome to Healthology, where we break down proven health strategies to help you feel your best. In this video, we're diving deep into meditation. You've probably heard it helps with stress, but what you'll discover today goes way beyond that. Physical health, mental clarity, emotional balance, and a surprising benefit most people miss. Coming up in just a few minutes. Let's start with your body. Meditation doesn't just relax you, it shifts your entire nervous system. It lowers blood pressure, boosts immunity, and helps reduce inflammation, which is at the root of most chronic diseases. And if you struggle with pain or sleep, this next part is going to change how you think about healing. Mentally, meditation is like a reset button. Studies show it reduces anxiety and depression, increases emotional control, and enhances focus. But here's the real power. Meditation trains your brain to be less reactive, so you stay calm even when life gets stressful. And in just a minute, I'll share a powerful brain change that happens when you meditate consistently, one that surprised even researchers. So, how does it all work? Meditation strengthens specific areas of the brain, especially those linked to emotional regulation and memory. It reduces activity in the brain's default mode network, the part that causes overthinking and worry. And that unexpected benefit I mentioned? Meditation actually slows down biological aging. Yes, your brain can stay younger. If you keep watching, I'll explain how to start. You don't need incense or a guru. Here's a simple practice anyone can do. Step 1. Sit comfortably, eyes closed. Step 2. Inhale slowly, hold, then exhale gently. Step 3. Focus only on your breath. When thoughts come, gently bring your attention back. Do this for 10 minutes. It may feel simple, but inside your brain, real transformation is happening. Now it's your turn. Try this meditation tonight and for the next 7 days. Your stress will fade, your sleep will improve, your body will begin to heal, and your mind will feel more clear than it has in years. Subscribe to Healthology for more science-backed healing habits. And let's make your health transformation real, one breath at a time.